Ohm's law. Ohm's law is used to calculate resistance using voltage and current. Here is a chart representing the unit symbols, the units, and the symbols that are found in the equation. The symbols that are found in the equation for resistance are R, voltage V, current I. However, these are not the same symbols that would be found at the end when you calculate out a number. Those would be our unit symbols: ohms for resistance, V for volts, and A for amps. From before the break, you'll remember that R equals V over I. Now, we need to remember that we sometimes will have resistance and need to calculate current or voltage. So, there's some rules to remember when rearranging equations. The first is, you can add, subtract, multiply, and divide by anything as long as you do the same on both sides of the equation. The second rule is, to move or cancel a quantity or variable on one side of the equation, you must perform the opposite operation on both sides of the equation. If you cannot remember how to rearrange equations already discussed in our class, please follow the YouTube video link below to review this skill. Here are the alternate equations for for voltage and current. If you cannot rearrange them using resistance is voltage divided by current, you'll need to remember all three. Here is a practice problem. Take a moment, read the problem, see if you can complete it using the guess method. The very first thing you should do is write down your given. You are trying to find resistance. Resistance is the unknown. Next, you will write down the equation, substitute in the values, calculate out the answer. You'll notice that our answer is in ohms because we are calculating resistance. Finally, you'll state the statement for this problem. Here's one more. Take a moment, pause the video, and see if you can do it yourself. Here is the given. The unknown is our current. Current has the equation of I equals V divided by R. Substitute in your values and calculate out your answer. Because we are working with current, our answer will be in amps, A at the end. Then do a statement.